Hi, I'm Harper from Ants Auto Rentals. Here's everything you need to know about charging your EV in Miami and Fort Lauderdale. Types of chargers. Tesla Superchargers are the fastest. 200 miles of range in 15 minutes. Perfect for our Tesla Model Y and Model 3. Our Chevy Equinox EV can use them too with the adapter we provide. CCS fast chargers work great for our Equinox EV. Find these at Electrify America, EVgo, and ChargePoint. Level 2 chargers are slower, but perfect for overnight hotel charging. Many places offer free charging. PlugShare will help you find them. Tesla billing. Driving one of our Tesla vehicles? You don't need your own Tesla account for charging. Our Amped Auto Rentals account is already linked. Just plug in and charge. We track your sessions and send you an invoice at the end of your rental. What's in the trunk? Renting our 2025 Chevrolet Equinox EV RS. Check the trunk for 2 helpful accessories. The dual-level charge cord lets you charge at any wall outlet, 120-volt or 240-volt. The GM NACS adapter lets you use Tesla Superchargers with your Equinox EV. That's access to over 25,000 Tesla stations. You'll need to download the Tesla app, create an account, and add a credit card to pay for Supercharger sessions. Download these apps. The Tesla app is required for our Tesla Model Y and Model 3. We send you a digital key that uses Bluetooth to lock and unlock the car. Enable Bluetooth and location permissions. Equinox EV customers also need the Tesla app to pay at Superchargers, ChargePoint, Electrify America, and EVgo for their networks. PlugShare to find all chargers, including free ones. Park Mobile for Fort Lauderdale city garages. Where to charge in Miami. Aventura Mall and Dadeland Mall both have Tesla Superchargers. Shop while you charge. Brickell City Center is great if you're downtown. Miami Beach has Electrify America stations on Collins Avenue. And near Miami Airport, there are chargers on Northwest 36th Street. Where to charge in Fort Lauderdale. Fort Lauderdale has over 316 charging stations. The largest Tesla Supercharger is on East Sunrise Boulevard with 16 stalls. There are also stations on West Broward Boulevard and Powerline Road. Galleria Mall offers free charging in the Mango section of the parking garage. Los Olas Garage downtown has level 2 chargers. Use Park Mobile to pay. In Hollywood, Seminole Hard Rock Hotel and Casino has 24 Tesla Superchargers, with speeds up to 325 kilowatts. Open 24/7 and works with both Tesla and Equinox EV using the NACS adapter. And there's Electrify America at Walmart on West Broward Boulevard, right off I-95. How to charge. Charging is simple. First, find a charger using PlugShare, ChargePoint, or the Tesla app. Park and plug in. Connect the cable and you'll hear a click. Start your session. Tesla vehicles start automatically. Equinox EV customers must start the session in the Tesla app. For other networks, use their app or tap your credit card. Charge to about 80%. That's the sweet spot. Unplug and go. Quick tips. Stop at 80%. Charging slows down after that. Many Miami and Fort Lauderdale hotels offer free overnight charging for guests. Avoid peak hours, 4 to 9 p.m., when chargers are busiest. And in Fort Lauderdale, city chargers have a 4-hour limit. Book with us. That's it. Charging an EV in South Florida is easy. At Amped Auto Rentals, we deliver your Tesla or Chevy Equinox EV fully charged and ready to go. No rental counter, no waiting. We deliver throughout Miami, Fort Lauderdale, Hollywood, and all of South Florida. Delivery is free on rentals of 7 days or longer. Visit ampedautorentals.com or call 786-981-1177 to book today. Thanks for watching and enjoy your South Florida adventure.